everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because I am doing a Christmas living room reveal. Are you guys ready to see this room go from this to this? Hold on. I first need to address the elephant in the room. Christmas came a little bit early for someone. To me! Okay, but really I am feeling so spoiled that Budget Blinds wanted to work with me and sponsor today's video, and they came over and installed these beautiful shutters. I have wanted shutters in every single house that we've lived in, so I'm just feeling so grateful and so happy. I really think that it just makes the room feel so beautiful and just so much more put together. They also installed shutters in my kitchen and it looks beautiful, and up in my office. I cannot wait to do a total office reveal and show you how beautiful it looks. I didn't have any window coverings up there and you could totally see into my office. So it feels so nice. No one can see what I'm doing. I can be up there late at night crafting like I like to do, and the room just looks absolutely beautiful. Shutters are gorgeous. You don't have to worry about the cords. Another thing that I am so grateful about, before I decorate, I like to deep clean each room. And so I swept in here, cleaned the floors, wiped everything down, dusted, and I also cleaned the walls and around the window seals, and just had to wipe a few fingerprints off of the shutters. They were so easy to wipe down. Like, night and day difference. Took me seconds. Super, super easy. They're really easy to open and shut. I'm just in heaven. I love them. So I decided to do shutters, obviously, but you can also choose from a huge selection of custom window coverings. Budget Blinds have blinds, shades, drapes, and so much more. And they will come to you with the fabric swatches, patterns, and all of the accessories. So you'll be able to pick a beautiful style and personalize and customize your order. The people were so incredible to work with, and that makes such a difference. They were kind and super quick, pleasant to talk to, and I just couldn't be more happy with my experience with Budget Blinds. Really, the whole process was so easy and super convenient. The Budget Blind design consultants just come right to your house and they help you figure out your home decor needs and really just guide you through the whole process. It really did help me find exactly what I was looking for, the colors, the style, and he was so patient and just really, really nice. So be sure to check it out. I will leave a link down in the description box below, and I will be showing the shutters in each room as I decorate. It just looks so different in here to me, and every single day I walk by and I smile. I'm just so happy. Who is ready to see the reveal? I'm going to show you the whole reveal, and then at the end of the video I'm going to like speed up the whole decorating process. Okay, I can't wait. Let's decorate. All right, you guys, it's been a couple of days and it is time to do the big reveal. I wanted to show this during the day. I did film the night that I got it all decorated because I love how it looks at night, but I wanted to walk you through everything in the daylight too, so you could kind of see it maybe a little bit better. But I'll be showing both clips of the daytime and the nighttime while I do this reveal. I'm so happy with how this looks. I just stand in my kitchen all the time because, you know, preparing and doing whatever you do in the kitchen. And when I look in here, it just makes me so, so happy. So it was a big debate whether or not to stick with the colors that we did last year or go with the red, white, and a little bit of the like turquoise blue. I'm so happy that I went back to this. It just adds so much color and so much fun into this room, and the kids have really, really loved it. You can see their little ornaments on the tree. We still need to go pick their ornaments out for this year. So you'll have to watch for those. This is also a new tree. I had a 7-foot tree here and it just looked so puny next to the fireplace. So I got this, I think this is 9 foot, and it really just fills up the room and makes it look just so beautiful. I'm really, really happy with it. I'll also show it at night so you can see the beautiful lights. I do wish that our little tree topper lit up. That's the only thing that I would change. I used a lot of my old ornaments. Actually, all of these were old except for these little red guys here. And you guys, I am still just loving these shutters. The great thing is behind the tree, I have this window, and before we had shutters, I couldn't open them and close them easily. Now they just open and close with no problem, which is super nice. The other thing that I love is that I can shut the bottom if we want a little more privacy, but still get the daylight coming in on the top. That was definitely not an option before, but I just think that they look so beautiful. So I just love them. I love this little tree. I decided to add these little garlands to my trees this year. Normally I hang them from the mantle. I like to change them for each holiday or season, but I love this around the tree. And then I just did some little like fairy lights, and it's just too cute. I love it right there. This is something that's new this year. This wood stand is also new. I saw it posted on Instagram and fell in love and hunted it down, and I just think that it looks so great. The mantle I wanted to keep simple, so I had these trees from a few years ago. I made these little felt trees like probably 7 years ago, and I've just hauled them around with me because I love them so much. They're up on my channel. I'll try to find a link. I will find a link. I won't try. I'll find a link and you can make them if you want because they're super easy. And then this is a new nativity set that I got. I had a really big, beautiful one and nowhere to put it. So I wanted to find a smaller one that would fit on my mantle. And this one fits perfectly. I think it's really fun for the kids and it's still really beautiful. Last year I decided to decorate with eucalyptus leaves, and I got this garland and I just put some pretty fairy lights throughout it, and I love how it looks. It's simple and pretty, and you can really use this throughout the whole year. I've had these stockings for a while. I got them about, well, I think it was when I was pregnant with Layla, so about 3 years ago, before we knew what her name would be for sure. I don't even think we knew if she was a boy or a girl when I got the stocking, so we need to add her name, and we need to get Rosie a stocking. So let me know if you have a favorite place to get little stockings for your puppy. This is a sign that I got a couple of years ago that one of the kids decided needed some color, so it is colored on, but you can't really tell from far away, so it's fine. This is a lantern that I have, and I decided to put some little ornaments and more fairy lights in there so that we could light that up as well. Okay, next let's move down here under the tree. For my tree skirt, I am just using this cute blanket. I've always kind of used this next to the tree because it has sequins in it and it's not super comfy to use, and I think it looks beautiful by the Christmas tree. I did buy a little basket to put around the bottom, but it was too small. So this is perfect. I love how it looks. And then, like I said, these are just a lot of our old ornaments that I have. I did add the felt balls or the felt garland, and I'm just super happy with how the tree came together. These aren't ornaments, they're like the little sticks that you can kind of like stick out of your tree, but I didn't want anything poking out this year, so I just kind of bent them and moved them so that they would just like look like ornaments throughout the tree. That just filled it out so nicely, and I love how it looks. This is a basket that I actually had by the front door, and I decided to pull it over here and put warm cozy blankets in it because we definitely use them this time of year. And then I pulled out one of our chairs so that we would have a little more room because presents will go here, and really I really like how this setup is, so I'll probably actually leave it. These are just some Christmas pillows that I got out of storage. Obviously, I love lanterns. I have them all over the place. So I just put one here and some little trees around it, kept it really simple. We made these little gnomes at my mom's, and so I put one right here next to this cute Christmas tree. We do plan on making more, which we'll probably put throughout the house because they're really fun and easy to make. Anyways, that is it, you guys, for my living room, which has made such a huge difference. I love the color, and I just think that it looks really beautiful. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you thought about doing a room reveal this way. Love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2,